What's up, guild members? Welcome back to Anime Tire for episode 21. This week was absolutely massive with major franchise updates, heartbreaking delays, and a flood of new anime announcements. Let's dive straight into the headlines. Kicking things off with some undated announcements. Girls on Panchar finale part 5 is officially set for October 9th in Japan, and part 4 screenings will include a pilot episode for the new spin-off Girls on Panzer Princess Samurai. Witch Hat Atelier is heading to Netflix on April 6th from Bug Films. Get ready for some magical goodness. And in sad news, The Detective is already dead. Season 2 has been delayed to October 2026 due to production issues. On March 16th, The Angel Next Door spoils me rotten. Season 2 dropped its full main trailer premieres April 3rd from Project Number 9. Assassination Classroom The Movie Art Time released a brand new trailer. The movie hits theaters March 20th. A 5-episode behind-the-scenes YouTube series for the Maristoxin TV anime is launching soon, covering everything from character design to sound production. March 17th was absolutely massive. Go For It Nakamura-kun revealed its new main trailer, April 1st premiere from Drive. Tank Chair got a full TV anime adaptation announcement for fall 2026 from Polygon Pictures, complete with a new trailer. Cherry and Virgin Anime Film showed off sneak peek footage for its 2027 release. Shozen, the Japanese anime of the Chinese manhwa Shang Shan, is coming in 2027. Killed Again Mr. Detective dropped a new key visual and main trailer April 2nd from Leiden Films. Liar Game released a fresh trailer April 6th premiere from Madhouse. From Far Away got a TV anime adaptation announcement for 2026. Yowaiwa Sensei shared its main trailer with Daoko's opening song April 11th from Brains Base. The Forsaken Saintess and her foodie road trip in another world announced a TV anime for 2026 from EMT Squared with full cast. Shio Tayo no Sato Sanga Ore ni Dake Amai romantic comedy TV anime is coming in 2026 from Tezuka Productions with trailer and cast. Hirayasumi revealed its teaser visual for January 2027 from Production Plus H, and The Frontier Lord Begins with Zero Subjects dropped a new key visual and trailer for July 2026 from Animation Studio 42. March 18th kept the hype going. Grand Blue Dreaming Season 3 revealed its teaser visual, July 2026 premiere. Jack of All Trades, Party of None released a climax visual for its 12th and final episode. Oshinoko Season 3 final episode will air as a special 1-hour broadcast next week. Cyborg 009 Nemesis showed off a teaser visual for summer 2026 from Erect. Chikawa, the movie The Secret of the Mermaid Island dropped a 6-second teaser July 24th from Cygames Pictures. L'Etoile de Paris and Fleur anime film released a post-premiere trailer after its March 13th debut. I Am Looking for Zombie revealed a teaser trailer for October 2026 from Studio Comet, and Patlabor Easy File 1 got a new key visual and trailer screens May 15th in Japan. Quick hits on March 19th. Though I Am an Inept Villainous Tale of the Butterfly Rat Body Swap, In the Maiden Code dropped its first full trailer July 2026 from Doga Kobo. Wrapping up on March 20th, we have a final burst of announcements. Wash It All Away revealed a beautiful spring seasonal visual ahead of its final episode on March 23rd. Media OCD announced a huge lineup of March 2026 Blu-ray releases through Discotheque Deep Dives, including classics like Jinro, The Wolf Brigade, Sergeant Frog, Mononoke, and Wicked City. 8 Lions Entertainment locked in a global licensing deal with TV Asahi to bring the Ninja Hattori anime franchise worldwide. Vertex Force, a new original TV anime about cute girls and mecha, was announced for 2026 and directed by Kazuhiro Takamura of Strike Witches fame. Magi Lumiere Magical Girls Incorporated, Season 2 revealed a new key visual July 2026 from JC Staff and Magical Buffs. The support caster is stronger than he realized. Got a TV anime announcement for January 2027 from JC Staff with cast reveal. And that, guild members, was another massive week in anime news. From The Detective is Already Dead delay and Witch Hat Atelier hitting Netflix to Grand Blue Season 3 and a flood of new adaptations, the 2026 schedule continues to expand. What's your top takeaway? Are you sad about The Detective delay, hyped for Grand Blue Season 3, or excited for Witch Hat Atelier on Netflix? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay on top of every announcement as it breaks, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your passion burning bright. This is Animate.io signing off.